Okay, so today we're looking a little bit more at publishing, but now we're looking overseas. Um, there's a lot more that goes into that, but if you're already building an international following, you're going to start doing this now. In any country that you have any traction, you're going to want to use this secret for that. So um, when you get it at the written part here, we're about a third of the way through. When you get the written part here, about halfway through, you'll be able to see how that really breaks down. But the video shows you exactly what you need to know for getting started. So if you're building globally, this is the one for you. And then tomorrow we'll talk about Sound Exchange, which also is for global but online. So um, see you then, and hopefully you are building internationally. We want you to build outside the U.S. if you can, and have a great career.